Welcome to Time Echo, where we uncover echoes from the past that history forgot. On the calm and sacred morning of November 1st, 1755, All Saints' Day, the people of Lisbon filled churches, homes, and narrow stone streets, lighting candles, ringing bells, and offering prayers, believing the day would pass in peace and devotion, unaware that history was about to break beneath their feet. Without warning, the earth released a deep, thunderous roar, and the ground began to shake with terrifying violence. Buildings swayed like ships at sea, massive church roofs collapsed onto worshippers, bell towers crashed into crowded streets, and the ground split open in long, jagged cracks that swallowed people, animals, and entire carts in seconds. In less than 10 minutes, Lisbon, one of Europe's richest ports and a symbol of global trade, empire, and faith, was reduced to chaos, dust, and screams. Survivors fled blindly through collapsing streets toward the harbor, believing open space would offer safety, clutching children, religious relics,